Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We are building a Lego Friends set today, and this one is going to be the inspiration for the next My Story episode. So watch the build and then give me a comment about what you think's going on in the build, or what you think how we could make a story out of this build and other builds, because it's fun to incorporate lots of different builds, and I'll make a video with the play from it. But this one's actually called Mia's Forest Adventure, so that kind of tells you what the story's going to be about, I suppose, but we can make it up and change it around. She has got a new top for this set, which is really nice. It's sleeveless though, so obviously it's hot out in the forest, and she has got a helmet with her new red ponytail attached to it. So she's ready to, well, she's ready to meet a baby bear and fall over. Lucky she had their helmet on. So that's probably why she's wearing the helmet. That's totally not why she's wearing the helmet. Not to actually keep her safe from bears in the wood. And she's also got a walkie-talkie. Is it a walkie-talkie? No, it's not a walkie-talkie. So Mia is going a bit high-tech in this set. So I don't know why she's trying to talk into that as a walkie-talkie, because it's not going to work, because it's actually for something else. So keep watching and all will be revealed. But first up we get a stool. Is it a stool for, it's like a little tree trunk with a purple top. Is that for Mia? Is it for the bear? I don't know at the moment. The bear's claimed it. And she has come with a water bottle, which is very sensible, because it's really, really important to stay hydrated when you're out doing, well, especially if you are going out for activities in the forest. Make sure you take a water bottle. Okay, what else is she going to need for this adventure? She's already got a baby bear and a water bottle and some random thing she's holding in her hand. What else should she possibly need? It looks like she needs a vehicle, because I can see some little spokey things on this for axles for wheels. And at the moment, we're kind of smoothing over the top. So rounding it over, there are two different colours of blue in here in these little quarter pie pieces. So I just have to make sure that I'm putting the correct ones on. Otherwise I'll get into strife later when I actually find I don't have those blue pieces anymore because I put them on the wrong spot. Okay, we are putting a lever on this end, which is very random. It's not random at all. It's to connect with the remote control in her hand. Dun dun dun! It's a remote control, everybody! You all knew that, didn't you? You knew. Okay, so what is it a remote control for? It's for this vehicle, which is like a mega skateboardy thing with some four-wheel drive capacity wheels, I think. Those are pretty good wheels. And we put what used to be like the snowboarding piece, it's getting some stickers on it, and it's going to be sitting on the top of her vehicle. So basically, it's like a motorized skateboard, but it's got a remote control, which she holds in her hand while she's actually riding it. Would that work? I don't know. I suppose it's going to work. But it'll work really nicely if the bear wants to go for a ride. If she could just stop falling over. She can take the bear for a ride on the motorized skateboard. Cool. That's cool. Actually, I love those little wheels on that. Right, she's going to have a go. That is some heavy-duty skateboarding. It's perfect for going off-road. It's four-wheel drive off-road skateboard out in the forest. All right, so it looks like we're now building a part of the forest, because we've got green and we're making rocky, outcroppy kind of things. Aha! It is a little burrow for the bear, or a little cavey thing for the bear. It's a little niche, a little home, a little hole in the rock. And we need just this to finish over the top, so it looks kind of bumpy on the top. And there's a tree hanging off the side with this little Technique piece. Oh, there's a red nose on this. Why do we need a red nose? It's to make this lever do things. Well, it's not really lever. To make this moving part do things. We'll find out what it does in a moment, because we have to finish up the tree first. It's a cute little tree. Okay, so this part here is going to collapse down when you pull the little rod out. And attached to it is, that's so cool. Look, oh, the amber underneath looks like honey dripping out of the beehive. That's so pretty. Oh, that's just so quaint and cute. And it drops down, so that way the bees can come and sting the bear right in the face. Right, so can't reach it there at the moment, so safe from the bees, but Not if we drop it down. Okay, we need some foliage. Trees need foliage, otherwise they look kind of bare. So we've got some tree, plant, leaf things to put on here. Wow, I'm doing really well with words today. This is why you've got to tell me the story to go with this set, because I think I'm running out of words. Maybe I've used up my quota of words for the day. I don't know. I don't think so. I think I might just need to have a sleep. But not till I finish this, because I want to build it. And we've got a little slopey thing here. It's kind of like, is it going to be like a waterfall? It looks kind of like a waterfall or a river at the moment. But we've got 2 of these, which are matching with little hooks on them. And they've got a ramp going, like a bridge going over the top of the water. That's such a cool, easy way to depict the water going under the bridge and flowing off. You could extend the water if you wanted to. And this part here, is the actual ramp part. So we've got 2 of these which are matching, and they're going to attach to the hooks on either side of the bit that goes over the little bridgey part. Oh, that's cool! And the little rounded over edges down the bottom make it just perfect to ride a skateboard, a remote control motorized skateboard over the top. Oh, there's a little post here where the frog, a token frog, can sit here and watch all the action. Stay out of the way of the skateboard. Purple grills and orange grills on this. I don't know that I've ever seen purple and orange grills before. Are they new? I think they're new. Not that I really know about this sort of stuff, so don't quote me. But they're so nice to add some colour to the build with those little colourful grills, and they just look like teeny tiny stripes going across. That's cool. Okay, we've got, there are outward facing studs on 2 sides of this brick and on these ones. So we're going to be able to attach on the front and on the side little pieces of wood to make a homemade little lookout or a little cubby. That's cute. Oh, we're putting some stickers on here so we can really be sure that it's wood. It's going to decorate it beautifully. Put another one on here, and these ones are going to be the nice long ones that go across the front. That's cute. That's so cute. So this is her little forest hideout, her little forest lookout. Though I don't know what she's looking out for. So what is she doing in the forest without the other LEGO Friends girls? Where did she get a remote control skateboard from? Because that's really not her kind of thing, is it? Is she going to fit in here with this telescope here? I don't know. Actually, it's not a telescope. It's binoculars on a little stand, and I don't know whether I can fit her in here now with the binoculars here. Maybe she just has to turn her head really, really far to the right. Though they're at just the right height for her eyes, so that's cool. Okay, so we're finished with the build. It's small, it's cute, but it's full of adventure. There's lots and lots of stories going on here. There's unanswered questions as well too, as to who built the lookout in the forest, why it's there, where she got that motorized skateboard from. Is she going to stop spinning around? Is she going to make herself giddy? Can she get control of it? Is she any good actually at using remote control? Who knows? And the baby bear is here in the woods too. Why? Now I want you to tell me that. So make sure you let me know what you think might be going on, or a story that might go with this set, in the comments, and I will make a new episode of your story from one of your comments. So start typing them. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the video when it comes out. Give the video a thumbs up. Put your comments down quick, and I'll see you with a new video very soon. Bye!